hard is it to get that on the trailer and stuff? Not bad?
Yeah, once you make up your mind that you're going to be able to do it by yourself, you just figure it out.
Yeah. Right. Yeah. Yeah, I think you can get quite a bit of video on it.
Well, look at what Eric does. Well, you know what he does is he carries his laptop around and he downloads his laptop. Like people were saying, if you have the camera set up right, once you come close to your PC, it'll automatically download. That's what Brian said. So you can just
So Brian sees what Addie and Mark
yeah.